Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Block. I'm Em, and today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Amazon Echo Spot that's just been released in the UK, January 24th, 2018. On the side here we have some skills that it can support, for example Spotify, Philips Hue, TP-Link and stuff like that, just your regular Amazon Echo skills that you'll get on pretty much any Amazon Echo that you buy. And on the back here we have some more information about the Amazon Echo Spot, for example its stylish, compact design, the fact that you can make video calls and voice calls as well. And then on the other side here we have Alexa voice service, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and it also has an aux port in the back as well. So you can plug in your phone, for example, and just listen to music through there. So yeah, there's your Amazon Echo Spot packaging. Let's take a look what's inside. Unbox the Echo Spot, simply lift that part up, then that will reveal the black box that it comes in. Flip it over and you'll see this adhesive right here. Peel that back, and then you'll be able to flip open the little flap here and then lift the other part up and you'll see the Echo Spot right there. On the bottom of the Echo Spot there is a non-slip rubber pad as well that will prevent it from moving around on the table and stuff. And on the front we have the screen, of course, and then the camera on the top as well. There's also a screen protector that it comes with. Let's take that off and then place the Echo Spot on the table right there. The Echo Spot also comes with a DC power supply that pretty much powers just about all Amazon Echo devices, except for the Echo Dot, I believe. Taking a look at the bottom of the Echo Spot, we have a non-slip rubber pad to prevent it from moving around on your table. And there's also a 3.5mm headphone jack, as well as a DC power port to power the Echo Spot. Taking a look at the top, we have a volume up, a mute button, as well as a volume down button as well. And there's an array of microphones on the top as well that will allow it to hear you better. Go ahead and plug in the power for the Amazon Echo Spot and boot it up for the first time.
Hello, your Echo Spot is ready for setup.
Bear in mind that when you get an Amazon Echo, you do have to download and install many updates, which do take 5 or 10 minutes. Alright, so I've been using the Amazon Echo Spot for a couple of hours now, ever since I unboxed it. I've currently got it set to an analog clock theme, and we have the date right there, which is the 24th, and of course the clock itself. Very exciting, I know. If we scroll over, we have the digital time right here. We have the current weather in your location. If we scroll over again, we have a Things to Try tab, which every time you go over to this tab, it will show you a different command that you can try out if you want to. And on the next tab, we have some upcoming events that are linked to my Google Calendar. So tomorrow, for example, I'm getting my Razer mouse delivered to me to replace my Razer Mamba. So if we scroll down, we have some options here as well. We have Home, we have Do Not Disturb, Settings, and then Brightness Adjustment right here as well. If we go to Settings, for example, we have a bunch of options that we can mess around with here. For example, Display, Sounds, Do Not Disturb settings, Home and Clock. Let's jump onto Home and Clock and check out some themes. So we have the Themes tab right here. Let's go on there. We have your analog clocks, your digital, and then your personal photo one. If we check out the digital one, for example, we have Streetlights, we have Bokeh, High Contrast, Canyon, Beach Grass, Flamingo, and Peacock as well. If we go back over to Settings, Home and Clock, we can choose an analog theme, for example Tangerine, Onyx, Wood Grain, Owl, Bold Teal, Modern, and I'm not even going to try to pronounce that word right there, Copper, Blues, Record, and Textured. So we got loads of themes that we can choose from, and if you don't like any of the pre-installed themes, you go to Personal Photo and import your own through, I'm guessing, either Prime Photos or some other way of importing your own custom photo. Personally, I like the High Contrast theme as well as the Onyx theme in the analog clock. If we go to Theme Analog, I like the Onyx one quite a lot as well. So that's been my Amazon Echo Spot unboxing. I've really enjoyed making this video, and this Amazon Echo Spot is a great addition to my overall setup as well. I think you guys can agree. And by the way, I won't be keeping the Echo Spot in here, in this spot right here. I will be moving it over to here, once my DC power port extension cable arrives tomorrow. So that's pretty much been it for this unboxing video. Thank you very much for watching as always. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Goodbye.